Welcome to Auto World of Conway, where today we'll be previewing a stunning 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. This car owned by the same gentleman for nearly 50 years. And he was a body man, or is a body man. You can see that he took his time restoring this car to the highest level. The fit and finish on this 67 is of the nicest that we've seen. He says everything was metal finished. Look at the gaps on the door to the fender. All original sheet metal fenders, doors. See, 15-inch wheels. Highly detailed. Says it all right here. $390. Now this blue is not a factory blue. This is a 97 and 99 moonlight blue. Metallic. Under the hood you'll see a worked over 390. Has 428 valve covers. He said because they just look cool. Performer intake, big Holly dual feed. Tricked me at first when I saw the air breather nuts. Thought, oh, it's got 2 4s, but no. Water pump was recently done. S code denoting 4-barrel 390. Power disc brakes. Turn signal hood. What a beautiful car. Car spent its entire life in Virginia, and it took us 4 years to buy this car. He decided that he was going to retire and move to Portugal. So you can see even these doors open and close nicely. So per the Marty report, this car was originally Ivy Gold Metallic. Standard interior. Of course, 4-speed with a Hurst shifter. code stamps everywhere on this car. One of the things we look for. Another date code stamp there. Looks like he took a trick from my book. This is actually a 70 gas tank, a little bit higher capacity. The 390, you want a little bit more capacity, especially if you drive it. Got all the hardware just the way it's supposed to be. No corners were cut. When you find a car that someone restores for themselves, this is the result. GT pop open gas cap. No video underneath later. This blue just dances in the direct sun. Alright, well, all right here, we'll go fire it up. customers and cars that go all over the world. So we'll run her through our gears. So here we are in the office now, and with the provided provenance folder that accompanies this beautiful 67 S-Code Mustang. And it's pretty neat because we have a handwritten letter from the prior owner who bought it from the original owner in 1981, 82 it seems. So all of these records here are from the restoration that was completed at the end, or the middle end of 2000. And the car has been driven about 10,000 miles since. A full service was completed in December, as indicated by the prior owner. It's pretty neat. We've got the build sheet that's under the back seat that he saved, and receipts for just about everything. So there's your zoom clutch and some miscellaneous pieces, turn signal. He also documents which body panels are original to the car. So some minor repairs here and there. All the major sheet metal is original. The doors, the fenders, the quarters, trunk, all that. One of the fender aprons, or inner aprons, were replaced. Engine rebuilt, right there, $8,400. It was an automatic car. It's been changed to a 4-speed. He also documents that. And there's a receipt. Here we go, Reed's Classics 4-speeds. So that was upgraded with zoom clutch and a Cobra T oil pan. Different MSD ignition. 2.5-inch Flowmasters. On and on and on. So it chronicles the restoration. So it's always good to have. There's a dyno sheet. 341 foot-pounds of torque, and then 251 horsepower. There's a couple of different ones here, and that's at the rear wheel. But again, we love to see this. And also, I was mistaken earlier when I had the mentioned the paint code. It's actually medium dark blue. There you are. So again, thank you for joining us here at Auto World of Conway for this beautiful 1967 S-Code Fastback.